Hello everyone, we are pleased to present this information on behalf of Shanthi Kumar V, an IT job upskilling coach. Generative AI is an innovative technology that has the potential to revolutionize various industries. It enables the creation of unique and realistic content, including images, text, and videos. However, implementing generative AI poses several challenges for organizations, which may affect the effectiveness of AI applications. Through our job coaching, individuals can strengthen their profiles with valuable experiences. Post-coaching, many see clear opportunities to advance to higher positions with competitive salaries. Improving profiles is essential for making the most of generative AI tools. Understanding the associated challenges is key to successful implementation. For more details about our coaching services, please visit versuskumarcoaching.com and Skumar blog. We wish you the best in your IT career growth.